Senator Lacson has floated the idea of giving Duterte emergency powers just so limited in the Abu areas. Do you support that move?
We have done that before, yung sa Maguindanao.
Yeah.
So, kung yan ang one of the options available to resolve the situation there, meron na tayong template. And I'd be supportive of that scenario.
Meron namang nagpo-float ng idea na to give Duterte also emergency powers just to untangle traffic in Metro Manila.
Sa akin doon, hindi ako papayag kasi ano ang gagawin ng emergency powers na to?
So Metro Manila area lang.
Mahirap yun. Rights would be violated pag gano'n nangyari.